Welcome to our journey into data analysis and interpretation in physics. In this video, we'll explore how physicists use data to uncover the secrets of the universe. Data analysis is more than just crunching numbers. It's about making sense of observations, identifying patterns, and drawing meaningful conclusions. Whether you're working in a lab or analyzing results from a simulation, understanding how to handle and interpret data is essential. We'll start by discussing why data analysis is so crucial in physics and how it forms the backbone of scientific discovery. Let's dive in and see how data transforms raw measurements into scientific knowledge. Physics data comes in many forms. We often deal with quantitative data, like measurements of length, time, or temperature, which are expressed as numbers. Qualitative data, on the other hand, might describe the color of a flame or the shape of a trajectory. Recognizing the type of data you have is the first step in choosing the right analysis method. For example, continuous data can take any value within a range, while discrete data consists of specific, separate value. Understanding these distinctions helps physicists select appropriate tools and techniques for analysis, ensuring accurate and meaningful results. Collecting data is a fundamental part of any physics experiment. To ensure reliability, physicists use precise instruments and standardized procedures. It's important to minimize errors and record every detail, from environmental conditions to instrument calibration. Good data collection practices lay the foundation for trustworthy analysis. By repeating measurements and using controls, we can reduce random errors and detect systematic issues. Careful documentation ensures that results can be verified and experiments can be replicated by others, which is a cornerstone of scientific integrity. Once data is collected, organizing it is the next step. Physicists often use tables, charts, or spreadsheets to arrange their measurements. This makes it easier to spot trends, compare results, and prepare for analysis. Proper organization also helps prevent mistakes and ensures that all relevant information is easily accessible. Labeling units, noting uncertainties, and keeping a clear record of methods used are all part of good data management. With well-organized data, the path to meaningful interpretation becomes much smoother. Visualization is a powerful tool in physics data analysis. Graphs, plots, and diagrams help us see patterns and relationships that might not be obvious from raw numbers alone. For example, plotting position versus time can reveal the motion of an object, while a histogram can show the distribution of measurement values. Choosing the right type of graph is important: line graphs for trends, scatter plots for correlations, and bar charts for comparison. Effective visualization makes complex data easier to interpret and communicate. Descriptive statistics summarize and describe the main features of a data set. In physics, we often calculate the mean, median, and mode to understand central tendencies. The range, variance, and standard deviation tell us about the spread of the data. These statistics provide a snapshot of the data's overall behavior, helping us identify outliers or unusual results. By summarizing data in this way, physicists can quickly assess the quality and consistency of their measurements before moving on to deeper analysis. No measurement is perfectly exact. In physics, it's crucial to estimate and report the uncertainty associated with every measurement. Uncertainty can arise from instrument limitations, environmental factors, or human error. By expressing results with uncertainties, such as 5 plus or minus 0.1 cm, physicists communicate the reliability of their data. Understanding and quantifying uncertainty allows for more honest and transparent scientific conclusions, and it helps others evaluate the validity of the results. Significant figures are a way of expressing the precision of a measurement. In physics, it's important to report results with the correct number of significant digits, reflecting the accuracy of the instruments used. Using too many or too few significant figures can mislead readers about the reliability of the data. By following the rules for significant figures, physicists ensure that their results are both precise and honest, maintaining scientific integrity throughout the analysis process. Error analysis is a key part of interpreting data in physics. It involves identifying, quantifying, and minimizing errors in measurements. There are two main types of errors: random errors, which cause scatter in the data, and systematic errors, which shift all measurements in one direction. By analyzing errors, physicists can improve experimental design and increase confidence in their results. Understanding the sources and impacts of errors is essential for drawing valid scientific conclusions. Physics, it's important to distinguish between correlation and causation. Correlation means that two variables change together, but it doesn't necessarily mean that one causes the other. Causation, on the other hand, implies a direct cause and effect relationship. Recognizing this difference helps physicists avoid drawing false conclusions from their data. Careful experimental design and analysis are needed to establish causation, not just correlation. Many physical phenomena exhibit linear relationships, where one variable changes in direct proportion to another. For example, Ohm's law states that voltage and current are linearly related in a resistor. Plotting data on a graph can reveal linear trends, making it easier to derive mathematical relationships. Identifying linearity simplifies analysis and allows for straightforward predictions and calculations in physics experiments. Not all relationships in physics are linear. Sometimes variables are related in more complex ways, such as quadratically or exponentially. For instance, the area of a circle increases with the square of its radius. Recognizing nonlinear relationships is important for accurate modeling and interpretation. By fitting curves to data and analyzing residuals, physicists can uncover the true nature of the relationships between variables. Regression analysis is a statistical method used to model the relationship between variables. In physics, it helps us find the best fit line or curve that describes our data. Linear regression is common for straight-line relationships, while polynomial or exponential regression is used for more complex patterns. By minimizing the differences between observed and predicted values, regression analysis provides a mathematical model that can be used for predictions and further analysis. Interpreting graphs is a vital skill in physics data analysis. By examining the shape, slope, and intercept of a graph, physicists can extract valuable information about the underlying physical processes. For example, the slope of a velocity time graph gives acceleration, while the area under a force time graph represents impulse. Careful interpretation of graphs allows for deeper insights and more accurate conclusions from experimental data. Histograms are used to visualize the distribution of data points in physics experiments. By grouping data into bins, histograms show how frequently different values occur. This helps physicists identify patterns, such as normal distributions or outliers. Understanding the shape of a distribution is important for choosing the right statistical tests and interpreting the reliability of results. Histograms make it easier to spot trends and anomalies in large data sets. Probability plays a key role in interpreting data, especially when dealing with random events or quantum phenomena. In physics, probability helps us predict the likelihood of different outcomes and understand the behavior of systems at the microscopic level. By applying probability theory, physicists can make sense of seemingly unpredictable results and quantify the chances of various events occurring. Hypothesis testing is a statistical method used to determine whether observed data supports a specific scientific claim. In physics, we often start with a null hypothesis, which assumes no effect or relationship. By analyzing the data, we can decide whether to reject or accept the null hypothesis. This process helps physicists make objective decisions based on evidence, reducing the influence of bias or assumption. Chi-square test is a statistical tool used to compare observed data with expected results. In physics, it's often used to test the goodness of fit for theoretical models. By calculating the chi-square value, physicists can assess whether differences between observed and expected data are due to chance or indicate a real effect. This test is especially useful for categorical data and helps validate experimental results. T-test is used to compare the means of two groups and determine if they are significantly different. In physics, this might involve comparing results from two different experiments or conditions. By calculating the t-value and comparing it to a critical value, physicists can assess the significance of their findings. This helps ensure that observed differences are not just due to random variation but reflect real effects. Standard deviation is a measure of how spread out data points are around the mean. In physics, a small standard deviation indicates that measurements are tightly clustered, suggesting high precision. A large standard deviation means more variability, which could point to experimental issues or inherent randomness. Understanding standard deviation helps physicists assess the reliability and consistency of their data. Variance is closely related to standard deviation and measures the average squared deviation from the mean. In physics, variance helps quantify the overall spread of data and is used in many statistical calculations. A low variance indicates consistent measurements, while high variance suggests more fluctuation. Understanding variance is essential for interpreting experimental results and comparing different data sets. Outliers are data points that differ significantly from the rest of the data. In physics, outliers can result from experimental errors, unusual events, or genuine discoveries. Identifying and analyzing outliers is important because they can affect statistical calculations and lead to misleading conclusions. Physicists must decide whether to exclude outliers or investigate them further, depending on the context and goals of the experiment. For analyzing data, it's essential to clean it by removing errors, duplicates, or irrelevant information. In physics, data cleaning ensures that only valid and reliable measurements are used in analysis. Techniques include checking for consistency, correcting typos, and handling missing values. Clean data leads to more accurate and trustworthy results, forming the basis for sound scientific conclusions. Sometimes, raw data needs to be transformed before analysis. In physics, this might involve converting units, normalizing values, or applying mathematical functions. Data transformation helps standardize measurements, making it easier to compare results and apply statistical methods. Proper transformation ensures that analysis is meaningful and that conclusions are based on comparable data. Dimensional analysis is a technique used to check the consistency of equations and calculations in physics. By analyzing the units of each term, physicists can ensure that equations make sense and that results are physically meaningful. Dimensional analysis also helps in converting between different measurement systems and in deriving new relationships between variables. Spreadsheets are powerful tools for organizing, analyzing, and visualizing data in physics. With features like formulas, charts, and data filters, spreadsheets make it easy to perform calculations and spot trends. Many physicists use software like Excel or Google Sheets to manage their data, automate repetitive tasks, and create clear visual representations of results. Python is a popular programming language for data analysis in physics. With libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, Python allows physicists to process large data sets, perform complex calculations, and create high-quality graphs. Learning Python opens up new possibilities for automating analysis and handling data more efficiently. Simulations are increasingly used in physics to model complex systems and generate data. By running computer models, physicists can test hypotheses, explore scenarios, and analyze results that would be difficult or impossible to obtain experimentally. Simulation data must be analyzed with the same rigor as experimental data, ensuring that models are validated and results are reliable. Modern physics experiments often generate massive amounts of data known as big data. Handling big data requires specialized tools and techniques such as data mining and machine learning. These methods help physicists find patterns, make predictions, and extract meaningful information from vast data sets, pushing the boundaries of scientific discovery. Machine learning is revolutionizing data analysis in physics. By training algorithms on large data sets, physicists can automate pattern recognition, classify events, and even discover new phenomena. Machine learning is especially useful in areas like particle physics and astronomy, where data volumes are enormous and traditional analysis methods may fall short. After analyzing data, physicists must interpret their results in the context of existing theories and experiments. This involves comparing findings with predictions, considering uncertainties, and evaluating the significance of any differences. Interpretation is where data becomes knowledge, helping scientists refine theories and develop new understanding of the physical world. Clear and accurate reporting is essential in physics. Physicists must present their data, analysis methods, and conclusions in a way that others can understand and verify. This includes using proper units, significant figures, and uncertainty estimates. Well-documented reports allow others to replicate experiments and build on previous work, advancing scientific progress. Before new findings are accepted by the scientific community, they undergo peer review. Other experts evaluate the data, analysis, and conclusions to ensure they are sound and reliable. Peer review helps maintain high standards in physics research and prevents the spread of errors or unsupported claims. Reproducibility is a core principle of science. In physics, experiments and analyses must be described in enough detail that others can repeat them and obtain similar results. Reproducibility builds trust in scientific findings and helps identify errors or biases that might otherwise go unnoticed. Meta-analysis involves combining data from multiple studies to draw broader conclusions. In physics, this approach can reveal trends or effects that individual experiments might miss. Meta-analysis increases statistical power and helps resolve conflicting results, providing a more comprehensive understanding of physical phenomena. Ethical considerations are vital in data analysis. Physicists must avoid manipulating data, cherry-picking results, or misrepresenting findings. Honest reporting and transparency are essential for maintaining the integrity of science. Ethical data analysis ensures that scientific progress benefits everyone and that trust in research is preserved. Even experienced physicists can fall into common traps during data analysis. These include confirmation bias, overfitting models, ignoring uncertainties, or misinterpreting statistical results. Being aware of these pitfalls helps scientists avoid mistakes and ensures that conclusions are based on solid evidence. Let's look at a practical example, analyzing data from a projectile motion experiment. By measuring the position and time of a thrown object, we can plot its trajectory, fit a curve, and calculate key parameters like initial velocity and acceleration due to gravity. This case study shows how data analysis turns raw measurements into meaningful physical insights. In another example, we analyze data from an Ohm's law experiment. By measuring voltage and current across a resistor, we can plot a graph and determine resistance from the slope. This straightforward analysis demonstrates how data interpretation confirms fundamental physical laws and supports theoretical predictions. Radioactive decay experiments provide another opportunity for data analysis. By recording the number of decays over time, physicists can plot an exponential curve and determine the half-life of a substance. This case study highlights the importance of fitting the right model to data and interpreting results in the context of physical theory. Analyzing data from a pendulum experiment involves measuring the period for different lengths. By plotting period squared versus length, we can confirm the linear relationship predicted by theory. This example demonstrates how careful data analysis can validate physical models and deepen our understanding of motion. In a thermal expansion experiment, data analysis involves measuring the change in length of a material as it's heated. By plotting length change versus temperature, physicists can determine the coefficient of expansion. This case study shows how data interpretation leads to practical applications in engineering and materials science. Data analysis in a conservation of energy experiment might involve measuring potential and kinetic energy at different points. By comparing total energy before and after an event, physicists can test the law of conservation of energy. This analysis reinforces fundamental principles and demonstrates the power of careful measurement and interpretation. Wave interference experiments generate data on the positions and intensities of bright and dark fringes. By analyzing this data, physicists can calculate wavelengths and confirm the wave nature of light. This case study illustrates how data analysis supports the development and confirmation of physical theories. In conclusion, data analysis and interpretation are at the heart of physics. From collecting reliable measurements to applying advanced statistical methods, every step is crucial for turning observations into scientific knowledge. As technology advances, new tools like machine learning and big data analytics are opening up exciting possibilities for discovery. By mastering data analysis, physicists can continue to push the boundaries of our understanding and unlock the mysteries of the universe.